Hey everybody, welcome back to Chevrolet of Everett, home of the better experience. My name is Jadiva, and in this video, I'm going to give you guys the rundown on what you can expect when you pull into our service drive. When you first arrive to the dealership, you can bring your vehicle down to the service tunnel. As you walk in, there are service advisors ready to greet you with your service needs, check you in with your vehicle information, and also get your preferred method of contact, which they'll use to give you updates for your vehicle as you wait. If you'd like to wait in our lounge area, there is coffee, as well as an available shuttle service to take you home. As I mentioned, our service advisors do have the ability to give you text updates about your vehicle, as well as notifying you when your vehicle is finished. All of our service advisors have years of expertise and are ready to give you that better experience. Also, don't forget to stop by our parts department and customize your vehicle while you visit us. All right, everybody, that is it for this video. Thank you for tuning in on what you can expect to see when you come to Chevrolet of Everett Service Drive. I hope to see you guys soon, and don't forget to like and subscribe.